how does it feel na you're part of this year's Mutia?
It feels surreal, sir, because I've never foreseen myself joining pageants, but right now, because of the solo parents and their advocacy, I was convinced that I can still join pageants.
Ready for your question, Ate Abby?
I have to be ready.
I have to bear no choice. Okay. Alexi. Alright, this is your question number 3. Number 3. Ang category mo ay kalikasan. Okay. Iba't ibang sakuna at trahedya ang nagaganap sa ating paligid, maging likas na kalamidad man o kagagawa ng tao. Para sa iyo, ano ang dahilan ng mga kalamidad na ito at sa edad mo, ano ang magagawa mo upang mabago ang sistema ng bawat isa pagdating sa kalikasan?
Thank you so much, sir. This is about the environment. So if I were to be asked if what is the reason why we're experiencing such problems, especially climate change, I'd be honest that there's no other reason but us, the people, who's living in the environment. All the arrogance and how disrespectful we are for the environment. Imagine those people who are just littering, that simple act. Even the government, actually, they have a contribution in water. They have the power to make rules, regulations that will regulate the companies contributing for the climate change. There are big companies who contributed to a lot of the problems that we've experienced in our environment. And as a Mutiana San Luis Dos, I joined in a community pageant, Barangay San Luis Dos. And I think, even if it's just a small pageant, sir, there is still a platform here. All the people watching me right now, I have an advocacy in environment. It's called Sana All. Sustainability, advertising for nature, and livelihood programs. I've been an advocate of this since I was a senior in high school, and until now, I embody the principles that I have since then. There's a lot of components that we can do to save the environment. First, by simply being respectful to what we do and being disciplined in our everyday lives. Our parents, we begin with them too, the way we bring us up. They have a lot of influence of who we are right now. And all thanks to my parents, my mother, Janeline Porta, she's been a great support for me of being a very respectful kid, now a grown-up, to our environment. I know how important it is for us to take importance of the environment. I think we all should try to reassess ourselves on how we do our everyday lives. And I believe in the saying that individually we move and together we can sing. Thank you.